teams are generated, and all these teams are very very accurate and according to the Dream11 rules and regulations. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video. So in this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams and tips and tricks for getting the Grand League teams for the today's match using our beautiful team generator software. Today the match is between CSK versus SRH. So we are going to first of all we will analyze some data, and based on that data we will generate the Grand League winning teams. So first of all, analyze the data. So the probable playing 11 from CSK side will be Ruturaj Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis, Moeen Ali, Suresh Raina, Ambati Rayudu, Ravindra Jadeja, MS Dhoni, Sam Curran, Deepak Chahar, Shardul Thakur and Imran Tahir. These are the players probable playing 11 from CSK side. And from the SRH side, David Warner, Johnny Bairstow, Kane Williamson. Today Manish Pandey might play because Virat Singh have failed very badly in the previous match. And also Vijay Shankar, Abhishek Sharma, Kedar Jadhav, Rashid Khan, Jagdish Suchit, Khalil Ahmed and Siddharth Kaul. These are the probable playing 11 from both the sides. Especially Ravindra Jadeja is in good form, and from the SRH side, Johnny Bairstow and Kane Williamson and David Warner. These three guys are in very good form. And Faf du Plessis is also in great form along with Ruturaj Gaikwad. So let's analyze some few more data and let's move forward. So the top players from both the sides, from CSK side will be Ruturaj Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis, Moeen Ali, Suresh Raina, Ravindra Jadeja and Sam Curran. And from the SRH side, David Warner, Johnny Bairstow, Kane Williamson and Rashid Khan. These are the four top players from SRH side. And let's analyze according to our software. Let's analyze the captain potential players so that we can consider them as a captain players in our fantasy teams. From CSK side, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis, Moeen Ali and Ravindra Jadeja can be considered as captain potential players. And from the Sunrisers Hyderabad side, David Warner, Johnny Bairstow, Kane Williamson and Rashid Khan can be considered as a captain potential players. So along with the captain, let's analyze the vice captain players as well. From the vice captain players from CSK side will be Ruturaj Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis, Moeen Ali, Suresh Raina, Ravindra Jadeja and Sam Curran. And from the SRH side, as usual, David Warner, Johnny Bairstow, Kane Williamson and Rashid Khan. These are the four guys that are important. If Manish Pandey is playing today, you can include them in this section as well. So and after that, let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a balanced pitch. Actually it is a bowler friendly as well as batting friendly. That means it is a balanced pitch. So the total score will be 147 out of 20 overs. That means we can expect anything around 280 plus runs out of 40 overs. So let's analyze some of the specific points in point of view of our software in order to generate the Grand League winning teams. So the specific points will be the total team credit range will be 98.5 to 100. Remember again, 98.5 to 100 will be the ideal range for winning the Grand Leagues. As well as CSK is stronger than SRH, so we can go with 7 players from CSK and 4 players from SRH, as well as 6 players from CSK and 5 players from SRH. But SRH will definitely try to give their level best today, that is for sure, because last match they have played really well. And the combinations will be, the winning combinations will be, please go with 1 wicket keeper only. This is a match of 1 wicket keeper. Go with 1 wicket keeper, 5 batsmen, 2 all-rounder, 3 bowlers, and also 1 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder, 4 bowlers, and also 1 wicket keeper, 4 bowler, 4 batsmen, 3 all-rounder and 3 bowler. So, and these are the important specific points in order to generate the winning Grand Leagues for today's match. So by using all the data that we have analyzed, let's generate the Grand League teams with our beautiful team generator software. So let's jump into our software. So this is how our software look like. Those who don't know about this software is advanced team generating software which uses a lot of techniques and algorithms in order to generate the accurate teams. This software supports wide variety of fantasy applications that include Dream11, My Team 11, MPL and etc. a lot more. And so let me quickly click on cricket here, and after that there are lot of bunch of options here. It is a very complex and very powerful software. You can contact me for details. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. So first of all, let me click on generate teams, and after that choose fantasy. Here is Dream 11, and after that continue, and after that IPL, and continue. And there are three sections here. The first two sections are for those who don't have much knowledge on cricket. If they want teams, they can go with these two sections, and this is a third section in which you have to give some of the discussed data, and along with the software will also work from its side in order to generate even more powerful teams. So let me quickly click on advanced generation section, and after that choose teams. Here choose teams. Here we have match between CSK versus Sunrisers Hyderabad. After that continue, and you can give any match number here. Whatever the match number you can give, that is, there will be no problem, because we are going to store your teams. We are going to store your generated teams. In order to store those teams, we need the match number, because we are giving access to a user to check the results of generated teams. So you can check the results of generated teams. So let me quickly give 230 as the match number. You can give any match number. By the way, this software works completely fine on your mobile as well as on your laptop. And continue, and you can choose at least 6 players from each side. Let me quickly select the players that I have given in the slides. Manish Pandey, I think, will definitely play on today. Not sure, very sure. You can change after the toss, because you can generate the teams at any point in our software. So let me quickly select the players. So these are the players from SRH side. Another player is missing, and there is another player. Let me quickly select the another player. One player is missing. I have forgotten the player. It's actually I have forgotten one player. Okay, let's go with this 10 players. You can, no problem. And from the CSK side, let's go with all the 11 players that I have given in the slides. So MS Dhoni, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Suresh Raina, Ambat Rayudu, Faf du Plessis, and Ravindra Jadeja, Moeen Ali, Sam Curran, and these are the 11 players from CSK side, and I have selected only 10 players from SRH. I have forgotten one player. That's no problem at all. So I have selected 10 players from SRH and 11 players from CSK, and continue. And we need to select the fixed players, because in this section you can leave this section as it is, but in this section whatever the players you select, that player will be there in every generated team. It is a very powerful section. I feel Kane Williamson will definitely play good innings today. At the same time, Johnny Bairstow also. And also from the CSK side, I want to fix Jadeja as well, along with Sam Curran also. I think he will definitely play on today also. And also I would like to fix Rashid Khan also. I would like to fix Rashid Khan also. He will definitely will get some good wickets. That's why after that continue, and we need to select the players you want to consider for captain. So I would like to select Johnny Bairstow, Kane Williamson, and David Warner from Rashid Khan from the SRH side, and from the CSK side you can select the players I have given in the slides. So these are the players, Jadeja. And after that continue, and we need to select the vice captain players as well. Let me quickly select the players, and from the CSK side also let me quickly select the players, and after that continue. And we need to select the partition strategy. I have already said to you that CSK is stronger team than SRH, so we are going to go with 7 players from CSK. CSK is team number 2, that means team number 7. Team number 2 should have 7 players and also 6 players. And after that continue, and enter credit range. We can give any credit range, but I have given the ideal credit range, which is 98.5 to 100. Here is the ideal credit range for today's match. And after that continue, and मैं वीडियो हिंदी में डालूँगा, मैं ट्राई करूँगा डालूँगा। मैं बेसिकली मैं हिंदी नहीं आता, थोड़ा थोड़ा आता। सो मैं वीडियो हिंदी में, मैं ट्राई टू मेक वीडियोस इन हिंदी में in the future videos, because most of our users will only know Hindi. They don't know English. they समझ नहीं थे हिंदी, sorry, Telugu, English. And after that we need to select at least strategies. I have already given you the strategies as well. These are the strategies. One is 1523, 1424 and 1433. These are the three strategies I have given. After that, continue, and we need to enter the number of teams you want to generate. Here I want to generate 11 teams, and after that, continue. So you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are very very accurate and according to the Dream11 rules and regulations. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. And those who want the software, those who want to know the details, you can contact me. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay